Behold, the elevator at the Holiday Inn Hotel by Dulles Airport in Sterling, Virginia. It's a Thyssenkrupp Aurora. And I have my s23 Ultra phone. It's new. I like this fixture. Oh, tried to level on me. Go to 2. Yep. Oh. There we go. 2. Man, dang, this elevator's not good at leveling. I mean, he does. Let's go ring the bell. Oops. Let's go back to 1. Then we'll do our cab view. Man, talk about a nice cab. I like this one so much. Certificates over there, a merciful button, and the capacity 2,100 pounds. Those 100 feet per minute. That's what you close. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking here. If you want to watch more videos, click either one of them.